In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best archery target. So let's get started. Number 7. Morel Double Duty. This heavy-duty archery target by Morel can be used with crossbows, compound bows, traditional bows, and air bows. It's made with double-duty 450 frames per second to withstand penetration from any shot. The target includes 5 traditional bullseyes, 9 ball bullseyes, a dartboard game, and deer vitals for practice, so you can execute precision shots in various types of archery applications. The multiple target types on the sides of the cubes keep you from getting bored from shooting the same picture. The target includes a replaceable cover to enhance durability. The material in the bag does not degrade, it can take multiple shots at a time, and it comes with carrying handles for portability. Number 6. Lock Classic Archery Target. This two-sided archery target is available in different sizes, 18, 20, and 22 inches. The open layer design stops arrows using friction instead of force, which fosters easy arrow removal. Accuracy is easy to measure due to the high contrast, white-on-black color scheme. The target is light and portable and comes with a handle. It is super durable, and it holds up well after shooting hundreds of arrows into it and leaving it out in the rain. Paper targets stay pinned in place very nicely, particularly when compared to other bag or block targets. Overall, it stops arrows effortlessly, and pulling them out is a breeze. Number 5. Morel Yellow Jacket Supreme. This target is designed to be used with high-speed bows and can withstand thousands of shots. It features high-quality material and is known for its easy, two-finger arrow removal. It comes with a removable cover for enhanced durability and to increase its core life. The manufacturer claims the target will last for years. Its carrying handle makes it portable, and it's easy to hang because it comes with grommets. The target features white and black graphics on a yellow background for visibility, and it can take several shots at a time. The arrows easily penetrate the plastic sheathing, and they do not go through to the other side. Number 4. Field Logic Hurricane Bag. The Field Logic Hurricane Bag archery target is durable, offers a high level of visibility, and is built for easy portability. It's a two-sided target constructed with 1000 psi tricore technology, which offers long-term durability, so you can keep practicing without worrying about your target breaking down. That unique technology also helps prevent arrows from going right through the target. It measures 20x 10 inches in size, with high visibility aiming points made from graphics printed on a bright colored background, so you can see where you're directing your arrows from a long range. You'll be able to fire hundreds of arrows at this target bag, and it's built to be weatherproof as well as resistant to mold, mildew, and rot. Number 3. Block Vault 4-Sided Archery. The Block Vault target is another cube-style target that is tough and can handle compound bows or crossbows while shooting field points, broadheads, or mechanical heads. The target is constructed of a high-density open-layer core, with the layers parallel the direction of the incoming arrows. This utilizes friction rather than force to stop the arrow. It gets the name vault because of the polybutyl outer shell that encases the core. The vault is good for shooting a compound at close range, such as in a garage or basement for practice and tuning. Even though only 4 of the sides can be shot at, it is durable enough to withstand thousands of arrows. More than a few reviewers reported getting multiple years of use out of one target. Number 2. Morel Outdoor Range. Morel is the most popular bag target brand, and they have a variety of commercial and consumer-grade bag targets. The outdoor range target is marketed as a commercial model, but is still available for anyone to buy. That's a good thing, because this is a really great bag target. The stuffing is a finely shredded material that is packed together to form a dense core. It is heavy enough to handle any compound bow, as well as most crossbows. Number 1. Glendale Full Rut Buck. Glendale Targets offers a very popular series of 3D whitetail deer targets. They range from 200 to 300 pound scale replicas and standing over 5 feet tall. The Reinhardt woodland buck in comparison is just too small for some bow hunters, and the best place to turn is the Glendale series. I really like how these targets assemble together and are positionable to create realistic shooting scenarios. Full rep buck, as far as I can tell, there is no bigger 3D archery target than the full rep buck. It measures a stout 37 inches at the shoulders and just over 5 feet tall overall. This 3D target is a great option for trophy buck hunters as it pretty accurately imitates a 300 pounds whitetail.